Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Budi Perkasa, Master Student majoring in Islamic Religious Education with Sheikh M. Jamil Jambe Bukit Tinggi. In this video, I will present a journal entitled Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas Contribution in the Field of Education. First, we will explain the abstract of this journal. Background: in North Sumatra, one of the figures who is viewed as Zainal Arifin Abbas, ulama, all the more exactly a scholarly mastermind who gave information and contributed significantly to society, was Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas. Purpose: this research discusses about the contribution of Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas of education in North Sumatra. This issue shall be explored for a few significant reasons. To be specific, exploration on Abbas can uncover how the historical backdrop of training in North Sumatra created. By looking at the contributions of Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas can help in forming more powerful instructive methodologies in view of the encounters and fruitful drivers of past figures. This research can evaluate the impact of method. This research is a type of qualitative research with a character study approach. Data validity techniques are carried out with a degree of trust, credibility, and dependability by auditing research data. The data analysis used in the research is the character study method. The result this research are in general the contribution of Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas in the field of education. To be specific, starting the foundation of instructive organization like Madrasah Arabia School El Hidayah, Kampung Lalang, Al-Ittadiyah Teladan, Islamic Establishment Medan, and Taman Siswa Binjai. He lists likewise Sefi teachers, scholastic authorities at colleges. Example: UISU and Aitia and products composite word become obligatory references in instructive organizations. Conclusion: the research can be concluded that Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas is worthy of being considered a role model due to their substantial contributions, including the production of numerous written institutions aimed at advancing the future of education. Next, we move on to the introduction section. In North Sumatra, Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas 1912 to 1979 is recognized as a respected ulama and intellectual who made significant contributions to society. He was known for his wisdom and ability to solve problems faced by the community during his time. His talk and action extended beyond his role as a scholar, as he not only taught and guided his followers, but also actively participated in various activities that made him widely known in public, social, and state affairs. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas lived his life as a scholar driven by devotion to Allah, hablum minallah, and care for others, hablum minan nas. He was a prominent observer and a democratic figure in spreading Islamic teachings. His knowledge in career made him an influential figure in the intellectual circle of his era. Throughout his life, he proved to be a decided Islamic scholar with great expansion and expertise in science. His contribution significantly impacted the people of North Sumatra, especially in education. The study will further discuss his role and contribution in the field of education. Then, for the methodology of this research, the study is qualitative research with a focus on a person-centered approach. Using a subjective methodology, researchers can better understand the individual by exploring how they interpret the world through their thoughts, words, and actions. The research was conducted from June to December 2023 in Medan, North Sumatra. Data collection involved documentation studies using primary and secondary data sources, such as books, journals, articles, magazines, and other media related to the research topic. Interviews were also conducted with respondents, including the grandchildren and students of Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas. The participants included Dr. Insinyur Muhammad Hasan, MSI, son of Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas, Tashliyah Haraini, granddaughter Dr. Handas Haji Hizbullah Hamid, student, and Khairul Anwar MA, family member and principal of the Al-Hidayah Education Foundation. The interviews were carried out both in person and online. The interviews were carried out both in person and online. Additionally, direct observations were made at educational institutions established by Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas. Data analysis followed a person-centered approach which involved in identifying relevant issues and figures, collecting detailed information about Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas, focusing the research, conducting a review, verifying the credibility and reliability of the data, and drawing conclusions about his contribution to education. Next, we will discuss the result and discussion. K. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas was a scholar who effectively addressed the issues faced by the Ummah in his time. Known for his insightful talks, he played important roles in various aspects of public, state, and social life. His contribution often exceeded the expectation of his role as a scholar. In education, his significant contributions are evident through his roles as a teacher, manager of educational institutions, and holder of formal organizational positions. The contributions include: first, initiating the establishment of an educational institution, Madrasah Arabia School Al-Hidayah Kampung Lalang. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas played an important role in establishing a modern madrasah in Kampung Lalang, Medan. Inspired by his teacher and supported by his father, Muhammad Abbas, he founded a madrasah with a modern education system named Madrasah Al-Arabiyah or Arabia School Kampung Lalang, Medan. This name is identical to the educational institution where he taught in Binjai. Secondly, Al-Ittihadiyah Teladan Islamic Institute, Medan. Al-Ittihadiyah is an Islamic organization founded on January 27, 1935 by Ahmad Dahlan and his colleagues. The organization aimed to unite the potential of Muslims in a structured group supported by ulama and intellectuals. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas actively supported and participated in the institution activities. Al-Ittihadiyah was established with the goal of creating a more modern, organized, and systematic Islamic education system, particularly for Islamic schools and colleges that were not yet part of any formal organization. The third one, Taman Siswa School in Binjai. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas contributed as a board member in establishing the Taman Siswa School branch in Binjai, North Sumatra, one of the oldest branches in the city. The Taman Siswa Schools, originally founded by Ki Hajar Dewantara in Yogyakarta on July 3, 1922, has since expanded to 129 branches across Indonesia, including the Binjai branch instituted by Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas. Ki Hajar Dewantara is renowned as a pioneer of education in Indonesia, with his philosophy in Ngarso Sung Tulado, ing Madio Mangun Karso Tut Wuri Handayani, symbolizing leadership, inspiration, and support in education and governance. The fourth one, wise educator. Before Indonesia's independence, Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas served as an Islamic teacher in a madrasah. Throughout his teaching, he regularly interacted with his congregation, imparting Islamic knowledge and values. His lessons emphasized principles such as morality, ethics, manners, social relations, as well as the values of struggle, service, justice, and compassion. Number 5. Scholarly official in advanced education. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas was a founding member of UISU Medan in 1952, playing a key role in the development of Islamic education in North Sumatra. Under his leadership, UISU Medan thrived as the first Islamic higher education institution in the region. In 1962, he became the Dean of the Sharia faculty at UISU and served as the university vice chancellor from 1970 to 1974. His academic career peaked when he became the chancellor of the Al-Ittihadiyah Islamic organization from 1970 to 1979, and a professor at IAIN North Sumatra, holding the position of chief lecturer in Ulumul Quran until his death. Finally, creating composition work. Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas was a prolific writer, having authored at least 10 volumes of articles. He actively recorded his thoughts and published them in various media of his time. Despite living in a period of turmoil and struggle, his work reflects his high productivity and sensitivity to the religious development and local needs of his community. In conclusion, based on the research findings, it can be concluded that Haji Zainal Arifin Abbas made significant contribution to education by funding institutions such as the Madrasah Arabiyah El Hidayah Kampung Lalang, the Al-Ittihadiyah Teladan Islamic Organization, and the Taman Siswa School Binjai. He was a wise educator who produced morally upright students and contributed to UISU and Al-Ittihadiyah as a founding member and academic authority. His written words continue to be important references in educational institutions. The author suggests that the education world should emulate his spirit and contributions, such as establishing educational institutions, becoming a wise teacher, and promoting scholarly work and passion for learning. Hello, that concludes the presentation and can deliver. I hope the information shared is beneficial and can expand our understanding. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity given. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.